Ever wonder what's actually happening when you crack your knuckles? That satisfying pop isn't your bones grinding. It's a tiny gas bubble rapidly forming and collapsing in your joint's synovial fluid, a process called cavitation. After you pop, it usually takes about 20 minutes before you can do it again. Now, here's the myth buster. Decades of research, including a famous self-experiment by Dr. Donald Unger, show no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. But if you feel pain, swelling, or yank too hard, you could irritate your joints or ligaments, so don't force it. Curious about more body myths? Hit follow for quick, science-backed answers.